Hi, this is Ksrk Sarma from Vidyajyoti Institute of Technology, Hyderabad, and as a part of the Capstone project, I'm going to submit this video. And so initially, we'll be logging into the canvas. So coming to the courses, presently I'm handling the course called as MFCS, Mathematical Foundations of Computer Science, for the second year first semester students. So here I have done the requirements for the Capstone project. So initially coming to the people. So I have added the students, all my students, and then coming to the co-teachers. So there are two co-teachers to my subject. So those two also added for the canvas. So then coming to the introductory module. So initially we'll be having the MFCS, COs and COPO mappings. So there are 5 COs for my subject. So these are the 5 COs. So this is a second year first semester subject. It is called as Mathematical Foundations Computer Science. So there are 5 COs, and these are the COPO mappings, and these are the COPO PSO mappings. So then next, coming to the prerequisites of the subject. So the basic requirements for the mathematics is algebra, and some basic knowledge of the arithmetic is assumed for the students. So what they have studied in their previous classes, that is enough for the mathematical foundations of the computer science. That is required for the as a prerequisite. So coming to the timetable, as we are conducting all as a online mode classes, for each and every section we will be having 3 classes. So for the I'm handling this same subject for 2 sections. So these are the three classes for me for each and every section. So there are, for C section I will be having the 3 classes, and for the D sections I will be having the 3 classes. So total 6 classes per week. So coming to the syllabus of the MFCS. So there are total 5 units in my subject for the subject. So that is the foundations and elementary combinatorics, recurrence relations, relations and diagrams, and the graphs. So these are the basic things, and these are the textbooks required for the subject, and some reference books as for the subject. So coming to the lesson plan. So as we will be conducting all are the online mode. So per week 3 classes will be coming, and all these 3 subjects, which topic is going to be covered and which contact class I have mentioned here. So total it is coming for the first unit I will be coming 10 classes, and second unit some 5 classes required, some third unit is required 9 classes, coming fourth unit 6 classes, and coming the fifth unit 10 classes, total 10 classes. So total 40 classes is coming, and all are on the online mode. All the classes I'm going to handle on the online mode. So next, coming to the previous question papers. So I have given some question papers here for the students, for the purpose how the questions are asking in the end examinations in the examinations. So this can be useful for the students. So which type of questions will be coming for the 2 marks, and which type of questions will be coming for the 3 marks, they can understand, and based on those things, how the question paper setting is going to be done for the subject, and all those things the students can able to learn, able to understand, and they can understand easily which type of the things they have to prepare at the part of the examination. So coming to the self-study materials, so I have given some YouTube channels to the students so they can understand. So apart from the subject, they can able to, apart from the syllabus, they can able to they can go for the beyond the syllabus. Some YouTube channels I have mentioned here for the sake of the students, so they can easily understand what are the things are going to be, how the things will be coming for the students. So these things will be done. So these things they can understand easily. So for the beyond the syllabus, they can upload they can understand the things, what all the things are going to be done apart from the syllabus also they can able to understand. So this comes under the self-study materials for the MFCS. Then coming to the contact hours, total I said that when I am having the three classes per week. So it is coming for each and every unit. I have mentioned how many number of classes I'm going to take. So it comes around 40 classes as a contact classes. So for the completion of the syllabus, it is required some 40 classes for the completion of the subject. So coming to the meeting hours, I will be per week I'm going to have a 1 meeting hour for the session, for the section. So total for this, as I have mentioned here, for only 1 section. So for the first unit I have given the 4 meeting hours through WhatsApp, and for the second unit I have given two classes. Like this, total 14 hours I have given as a meeting hours for the for the session. So here I have given one discussion forum for the MFCS course. So regarding a course, if they have any doubts at the discussions, then the students can able to discuss here. They can give their doubts and these things. They can get the answers on those things. Coming to the module 1, so here first one I have given a pre-recorded lecture here one. So that is, so I have completed the second unit. So as a flipped classroom, just like flipped classroom, I have given a pre-record lecture for the students in the based on third unit. So they can read these things before the class, they can listen these things, and they can come to the class before with a plan. So what we are going to handle in the next class. So coming to the one live class. So this is one live class where how we will be handling the classes regularly through online. So yeah, this is the thing we have. We will be taking the classes. So these are the things in the live recordings. This is a live class. So coming to the next one, that is the material for the unit 1. So after the completion of the each and every class, we will be sending the material, and finally we will be sending one. Yeah, this is the material for the unit 1. Like this, we will be giving the material to the students. So after the completion of unit, so each and every material given to the students so they can read easily. So for the unit 1, I have conducted one quiz. So this is the quiz for the students. So like this, I have conducted 5 marks for 5 questions I have given for them. And coming to the, I have for the unit 1, I have conducted one assignment. I have given one assignment to the students. So these questions, some questions I have given, and they have to answer for all the questions. So this is one assignment I have given. Then one discussion forum for the unit 1. So if they have any doubts, so if you have any doubts in the unit 1, they can discuss here. So the students can give the answers apart from the meeting hours. Even here also they can give the answers. They can discuss about the topics which are a little bit difficult to them and which they can understand. So coming to some important questions. So the students can understand what type of the questions will be asking from the unit 1. So like that I have given some important questions so they can read out, and like this they can understand what all the things are there in the unit 1. So this is very much important to the students for understanding what all the questions they will be understanding. What are the types of questions will be asking from the unit 1. So coming to the last, this is a PPT they have given for the total 1 unit. For total 1 unit has been given as a single PPT, so they can understand easily what all the things are there in the unit 1. Yeah, this is a study material for the students, what you have taught in the class. So same thing will be given as a study material, so they can understand the things easily. So like this, we'll be giving a study material for the students. Then after that one, we'll be coming to the grades. So I have given for the quiz 1 and assignment, I have graded the students, and their attendance also mentioned here. So the unit 2 assignment has been not published because recently only I have completed my unit 2. So the assignment which has been done for the students second unit I have not published here. So then, yeah, coming to the reflections. So before going to the coming to this online teaching, so this is it became very difficult to handle the classes. So after this one, learning a lot of techniques. So it is become very easy to handle the classes and to make the students very interactive in the class and all those things. So I am very much thankful to the organizers for giving me this opportunity to learn a lot of technologies. Thank you very much.